Forex trading is the global marketplace for exchanging national currencies. Let's look at how this massive market actually works. Forex stands for foreign exchange. It is where banks, companies, and investors trade one currency for another. This is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world, with over $7 trillion moving through it every single day. You trade in pairs because you are simultaneously buying one currency and selling another. The exchange rate fluctuates based on economic demand. Unlike the stock market, Forex is decentralized and stays open nearly around the clock during the work week. The euro and US dollar pair is the most traded, accounting for a huge portion of global daily transaction volume. Remember that you are essentially betting on the relative economic strength of two different countries. Forex involves significant risk due to market volatility. Always research thoroughly before participating. Thanks for watching.